Have you ever wondered if you owe money to the IRS? Many people are unsure about their tax status and want to avoid any surprises. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to check if you owe the IRS, where to find your balance, and what to do if you discover you have a tax debt. Whether you're preparing for tax season or just want peace of mind, understanding your IRS account is crucial. Let's start by exploring why it's important to stay on top of your tax obligations and how checking your IRS balance can help you avoid penalties and interest. Staying informed about your IRS balance is essential for financial health. If you owe money and don't realize it, you could face penalties, interest, or even enforcement actions. By checking your IRS account regularly, you can catch any issues early, set up payment plans if needed, and avoid unnecessary stress. Plus, knowing your balance helps you plan your finances better and ensures you're not caught off guard by unexpected tax bills. Let's look at the main reasons why checking your IRS balance should be part of your regular financial routine. The IRS provides a secure online portal where you can view your tax account information. This online account is the fastest and most convenient way to check if you owe the IRS. Once you log in, you'll see your current balance, payment history, and any notices or letters sent to you. The portal is available 24/7, so you can check your status at any time. In the next scenes, we'll guide you step by step on how to access and use this online tool. To check your IRS balance online, you'll first need to create an IRS online account if you don't already have one. Visit the official IRS website and look for the Sign In to Your Account section. You'll be asked to provide personal information such as your social security number, date of birth, and filing status. The IRS uses a secure identity verification process to protect your information. Once your identity is confirmed, you can set up your username and password. After registration, you'll have full access to your tax account details. Once your account is set up, logging in is straightforward. Go to the IRS website and click on Sign In to Your Account. Enter your username and password, then complete any additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard, where you can see your balance, payment history, and any outstanding tax debts. Make sure to log out when you're done to keep your information safe. After logging in, your IRS account dashboard will display your current tax balance front and center. This section shows any amount you owe, including taxes, penalties, and interest. If you don't owe anything, it will show a zero balance. You can also see details about previous years, payments made, and any refunds issued. This transparency helps you stay informed and manage your tax responsibilities effectively. Sometimes, the IRS will send you notices or letters about your tax account. These documents explain if you owe money, why you owe it, and what steps you need to take. Your online account will list any recent notices, but you may also receive them by mail. It's important to read these carefully and respond promptly if action is required. Ignoring IRS notices can lead to additional penalties or enforcement actions. If you prefer not to use the online portal, you can call the IRS directly to check your balance. The IRS customer service number is available on their official website. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing your social security number, date of birth, and other personal details. The representative can tell you if you owe money and answer any questions you may have. Keep in mind that wait times can be long, especially during tax season. Another way to check your IRS balance is by requesting a tax transcript. You can do this online through the IRS website or by mail. A tax transcript provides a summary of your tax account, including any outstanding balances, payments, and adjustments. This method is helpful if you want a detailed record of your tax history. Transcripts are usually available within a few days if requested online, or a few weeks by mail. The IRS 2Go mobile app is another convenient tool for checking your tax information. Available for both iOS and Android devices, the app lets you view your account balance, make payments, and track your refund status. It's a user-friendly option for those who prefer managing their taxes on the go. Just download the app, log in with your IRS credentials, and access your account securely from your smartphone. If you discover that you owe the IRS money, don't panic. The IRS offers several options for paying your balance. You can pay in full, set up a payment plan, or request an extension in certain cases. It's important to address your tax debt as soon as possible to avoid additional penalties and interest. In the next scenes, we'll discuss your payment options and how to choose the best one for your situation. The easiest way to pay your IRS balance is online through the IRS website. You can use a bank account, debit card, or credit card to make payments. The online system is secure and provides instant confirmation of your payment. You can also schedule future payments or set up automatic withdrawals. Paying online helps you avoid delays and ensures your payment is processed quickly. If you can't pay your full balance right away, the IRS allows you to set up a payment plan, also known as an installment agreement. This lets you pay your debt over time in manageable monthly payments. You can apply for a payment plan online, by phone, or by mail. The IRS will review your application and let you know if you qualify. Setting up a payment plan can help you avoid more serious collection actions. In some situations, you may be able to request an extension to pay your tax debt. This doesn't remove your obligation, but it can give you extra time to get your finances in order. Extensions are not automatic and must be approved by the IRS. You'll need to explain your situation and provide supporting documentation. If granted, you'll have a new deadline to pay your balance without facing immediate penalties. If you owe the IRS and don't pay on time, you may be charged penalties and interest. Penalties are usually a percentage of the unpaid tax, while interest accrues daily until the balance is paid in full. These extra charges can add up quickly, making your debt more expensive. That's why it's important to address your balance as soon as possible and communicate with the IRS if you're having trouble paying. If you believe the IRS has made a mistake or you disagree with the amount owed, you have the right to dispute the balance. Review your tax records and compare them with the IRS information. If you find errors, contact the IRS to discuss your concerns. You may need to provide documentation to support your case. The IRS will review your dispute and respond with their findings. It's important to act quickly and keep records of all communications. If you ignore your tax debt, the IRS can take collection actions to recover the money owed. This may include wage, garnishment, bank levies, or placing a lien on your property. These actions can have serious financial consequences and damage your credit. That's why it's crucial to address your IRS balance promptly and work with the IRS to resolve any issues before they escalate. If you can't afford to pay your full tax debt, you may qualify for an offer in compromise. This program allows you to settle your debt for less than the full amount owed. The IRS will review your financial situation to determine if you're eligible. If approved, you'll pay a reduced amount and the remaining balance will be forgiven. This option is best for those facing serious financial hardship. In some cases, you may be held responsible for a spouse's tax debt. If you believe you shouldn't be liable, you can apply for innocent spouse relief. This program provides protection if your spouse or former spouse improperly reported or omitted items on your joint tax return. The IRS will review your application and circumstances before making a decision. If granted, you may be relieved of responsibility for the debt. If you're struggling to resolve your IRS issues, the Taxpayer Advocate Service, TAS, can help. This independent organization assists taxpayers facing financial hardship or problems with the IRS that haven't been resolved through normal channels. You can contact TAS for free assistance and guidance on your case. They work to ensure your rights are protected and help you find solutions to your tax problem. Identity theft can affect your IRS account and tax filings. If you notice suspicious activity or receive notices for taxes you didn't file, contact the IRS immediately. The IRS has procedures to help victims of identity theft, including placing a fraud alert on your account and assisting with correcting your records. Staying vigilant and monitoring your account regularly can help you catch problems early. Keeping your IRS account secure is vital. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication if available. Never share your login information with anyone, and be cautious of phishing emails or phone calls pretending to be from the IRS. The IRS will never ask for sensitive information by email or text. If you suspect a scam, report it to the IRS immediately. The IRS offers several payment options to fit your needs. You can pay online, by phone, by mail, or through the IRS To Go app. Each method is secure and provides confirmation of your payment. Choose the option that works best for you and make sure to keep records of your payments for your files. If you're unsure which method to use, the IRS website has detailed instructions for each option. If you prefer traditional methods, you can mail a check or money order to the IRS. Make sure to include your Social Security number, tax year, and form number on your payment. Use the correct IRS address for your state, which you can find on the IRS website. Mailing a payment takes longer to process, so allow extra time before your due date to avoid late fees. You can also pay your IRS balance by phone using the IRS's automated payment system. Call the number listed on the IRS website and follow the prompts to make a payment with your bank account or card. The system will provide a confirmation number for your records. Paying by phone is convenient and secure, but be sure to have your account information ready before you call. Setting up a payment plan with the IRS may involve certain fees. The amount depends on the type of plan and how you apply. Online applications usually have lower fees than those submitted by mail or phone. Some low-income taxpayers may qualify for reduced fees or fee waivers. Be sure to review the fee structure on the IRS website before applying for a payment plan. For convenience, you can set up automatic payments from your bank account. This ensures your payments are made on time each month and helps you avoid missed payments or late fees. You can set up automatic withdrawals through your IRS online account or by submitting a direct debit authorization form. Always make sure your bank information is up to date to prevent payment issues. After making a payment, you can check its status through your IRS online account or the IRS To Go app. The system will show when your payment was received and applied to your balance. Keeping track of your payments helps you avoid confusion and ensures your account stays up to date. If you notice any discrepancies, contact the IRS right away to resolve the issue. If you're due a tax refund but owe the IRS or other federal debts, your refund may be reduced or withheld to pay those debts. This is called a refund offset. Your IRS account will show if an offset has occurred and how much was applied to your debt. Understanding refund offsets can help you plan for your finances and avoid surprises during tax season. Your IRS online account provides detailed statements of your tax activity. These statements include your balance, payments, penalties, interest, and any adjustments. Reviewing your statements regularly helps you stay informed and catch any errors early. You can download or print your statements for your records, making it easier to manage your taxes year after year. Business owners can also check their IRS account balances online. The process is similar to individual accounts, but you'll need your business's employer identification number, EIN, and other business details. Keeping your business tax account up to date is crucial for compliance and avoiding penalties. The IRS online portal provides tools and resources specifically for businesses. Tax professionals can access client IRS accounts with proper authorization. The IRS provides special tools for tax preparers to view balances, make payments, and manage multiple accounts. If you work with a tax professional, they can help you check your IRS balance and resolve any issues. Always ensure your tax preparer is authorized and reputable before sharing sensitive information. The IRS regularly updates your account information as payments are made, returns are processed, or new notices are issued. It's a good idea to check your account periodically, especially after making a payment or filing a return. Staying up to date helps you catch any issues early and ensures your records are accurate. Protecting your IRS account is essential. Use unique passwords, enable security features, and never share your login details. Be cautious of emails or calls claiming to be from the IRS, as scams are common. The IRS will never ask for sensitive information via email or text. If you suspect fraud, contact the IRS immediately to secure your account. Non-resident taxpayers can also check their IRS balances online. The process is similar, but you may need additional identification documents. The IRS website provides guidance for non-residents, including how to create an account and access your information. Staying informed about your U.S. tax obligations is important, even if you live abroad. If you're managing the estate of a deceased taxpayer, you can check their IRS account with proper authorization. The IRS requires legal documents, such as a death certificate and proof of executor status. Once authorized, you can view the account, pay any outstanding taxes, and resolve the estate's tax matters. The IRS website has detailed instructions for estate representatives. Parents or guardians can access IRS accounts for minors with proper documentation. You'll need to provide proof of guardianship and the minor's social security number. The IRS will guide you through the process to ensure the minor's tax matters are handled correctly. Keeping minors' accounts up to date is important for future financial planning. If you have power of attorney for someone, you can access their IRS account with the proper forms. Submit Form 2848 to the IRS to gain authorization. Once approved, you can view the account, make payments, and handle tax matters on their behalf. This is helpful for caregivers or legal representatives managing someone else's finances. Trustees can access IRS accounts for trusts using the trust employer identification number and legal documents. The IRS requires proof of trustee status and the trust formation documents. Once authorized, you can manage the trust tax obligations, view balances, and make payments. Proper management of trust accounts is essential for compliance and protecting beneficiaries. Partnerships can check their IRS account balances online using the partnership's EIN and business details. The process is similar to other business accounts. Keeping partnership tax accounts current is important for compliance and avoiding disputes among partners. The IRS portal provides resources and support for partnership tax matters. Corporations can access their IRS accounts online using their EIN and corporate details. The IRS portal allows corporations to view balances, make payments, and manage tax filings. Keeping corporate accounts up to date is essential for legal compliance and financial planning. The IRS provides specific guidance for corporate taxpayers on their website. Nonprofit organizations can also check their IRS account balances online. Use the organization's EIN and provide necessary documentation to access the account. The IRS portal offers tools for nonprofits to manage tax filings, payments, and compliance. Staying on top of nonprofit tax matters is important for maintaining tax-exempt status. Estate representatives can access IRS accounts for estates using the estate's EIN and legal documents. The IRS requires proof of representative status and estate formation documents. Once authorized, you can manage the estate's tax obligations, view balances, and make payments. Proper estate account management is key for settling tax matters efficiently. S corporations can check their IRS account balances online using their EIN and business details. The IRS portal provides tools for managing S corporation tax filings, payments, and compliance. Keeping S corporation accounts current is important for legal compliance and smooth business operations. The IRS website offers guidance specific to S corporations. Checking if you owe the IRS is easier than ever with online tools, phone support, and mobile apps. Staying informed about your tax balance helps you avoid penalties, plan your finances, and resolve issues quickly. Remember to protect your account, keep your records up to date, and reach out for help if you need it. By following these steps, you can manage your IRS obligations confidently and avoid surprises during tax season.